Chicken's gonna come and get your food.
Hey, milk a bowl.
Way to go, Poppy. Paris is saying, Chichen's eating my dog food. See, Poppy will finish what you don't eat, Pear. Yeah, I know Poppy's feeling better. She's in here eating. Oop, she must have had one stuck in her, huh? And then we got over here. Sky's looking in on us. Well, actually, it looks like Sky might be sleeping. Yep, Sky's sleeping.
Poppy, come on.
Time to go out now, Poppy. She
Come on,
goes,
Poppy.
no. She goes, Mom and Dad.
Poppy. Come here. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. You just ate the rest of the dog food. You had plenty.